Hi, I'm Louise from the Ontario Science Centre, and today I'm going to be talking about starting seeds indoors. For this, you're going to need some seed packets, some potting mix, and some containers to plant your seeds in. What I did was I looked around my kitchen for single-use packaging. So everything here has been planted in containers that would normally end up in the recycling or the garbage bin. I've got some seed starters here in this cardboard egg carton, and the nice thing about the cardboard is it's biodegradable. Once these seedlings get too large for their container, I can just cut this up and then plant them directly into the next size. This is a food takeout container. Now the dark plastic bottom means that this container is normally non-recyclable. It would go into the garbage bin. But the thing is, with this clear plastic lid over top, this works just like a greenhouse because light will shine through, it'll convert to heat energy, so this will heat up. It'll also help to retain moisture, and the dark plastic bottom in this case will also help to retain heat. So my lettuce seedlings here, they did really well. They sprouted much faster than I was expecting them to. If you're going to use this type of container, you're going to look for one that has a nice dome on the top, so it'll give a bit of height for the seedlings. Also, you don't need to keep the lid down tight. We still want some air circulation going through the container. Here's a 2-liter pot bottle, and what I did was I cut through the middle of it. I filled the bottom with some soil, and I secured the top with some tape, and now we have another little greenhouse. Now these are disposable drink cups. If you turn them upside down, you get more little greenhouses. Now once these seedlings get too big for their planters, we can turn these right side up and use these as plant pots. So these are really useful. And don't forget about the cutlery that comes with takeout meals. Here's a spoon. We can use this as a little shovel. And here's a chopstick. Now the thing is, on the back of the seed packets, there will be a recommended depth for which to plant the seeds. What you can do is you can mark off the depth right on the chopstick so that when you go to plant, you know that you're putting the seed in at the right depth every single time. So hopefully these are some interesting ideas for planting indoors, and also hopefully for repurposing and reusing some of those single-use plastics. We'd love to see what you're planting and how creative you might be getting in reusing all of these single-use plastics. So please do send in your photographs. We'd love to see what you're doing.